Hello, it's love reading time. Let's see what's going on with your love life. Only take what resonates. Never try to make anything happen. Two face down, one face up. Let's start with the face down. We've got passion and Virgo energy. Virgo energy is logical, obsessive, dedicated. Someone is obsessed with you, completely in love with you, and yours and yours alone. They are dedicated to this union. There's passion there. It says spark, magnetic attraction, and you both are awakening to this connection. You realize how strong of a bond the two of you truly have. It says insightful, empowered, enlightenment. Let's just get one or two more to wrap up this beautiful love reading. If you are currently worried about your love relationship, don't be. Everything is going to be just fine. There was a tower moment, but that doesn't mean things are over. That just means there was something that wasn't working at the time, and now it's time to rebuild. There's been an awakening. We also have Cancer energy, sensitive, nurturing, self-protective. They just want to protect you and provide for you. Allow them to. They've had this awakening. Yeah, there was some stress and chaos. Now that's over. Allow this to come in.